Hello, good afternoon everyone. We are here to visit the Ampera Bridge. Introduce me, Muhammad Atta Zuhair, and my partner,
Israna Alinda. Introduction. Ampera Bridge is one of the famous bridges in Palembang, South Sumatra, Indonesia. Construction of the Ampera Bridge began in 1962 and was completed in 1965. The bridge was designed by an Indonesia engineering namely Lemkongen and was built by a Japanese company, Fujitan Corporation. The Ampera Bridge facility connects the Seberang Ulu and Seberang Ilek areas separated by the Musi River. Ampera Bridge has undergone them thanks to activities since it was built. This bridge has a rich and interesting history.
Ampera is traversed by various types of vehicles, including private cars, motorcycle, and public transportation, such as buses and taxi. This bridge is one of the main routes connection various areas in Palembang, so it is very important for the mobility of the city.
The history of Ampera Bridge and the meaning of its name. According to the Palembang City government, the Ampera Bridge was built in 1962 at the cost of Japanese War Body, courting the Palembang Financial Training Center. The Ampera Bridge was inaugurated on November 1965. In Italy, this bridge was named Sukarno Bridge as an expression of gratitude from South Sumatra province to President Sukarno in restoring the unity of the people of South Sumatra, especially Palembang, but is changed along with the political condition of the country. The name of the bridge was echoed with the slogan of the Indonesia 1960, namely "Medad of the people suffer or everything to Ampera." This name is a symbol of independence from the mentality of the suffering of the people of Palembang. The Ampera Bridge was originally designated so that the center for reason, so that longer ships passing by would not get stuck on the bridge. There is mechanical equipment in the front of the pendulum, which hit about 500 tons X on the two brake doors. However, in 1970, the activity of going off and down the center of the brake was no longer carried out. This is because the time to leave the brake is quite long. For one time, the process in raising the center of the brake takes approximately 30 minutes. Another consideration is the staggering number of lake ships crossing the Musi River. So in 1990, the two bands on the two brake doors were lowered.
Pedestrians have a special walkway. On some Ampera Bridges, there are stairs or special access road for the pedestrian on the side of the bridge. The Ampera Bridge in Palembang, South Sumatra has a side wall that allow pedestrians to pass the sidewalk is located on the side of the bridge that is parted from the vehicle lanes, making it safe for pedestrians to use the bridge.
The paint color in the Ampera bridges have also undergone several changes. At first, this brick was given a gray color. Then, around 1970 to 1980, the color changed to yellow. Then it turned again to red until now.
Under the Ampera Bridge, Musi River, while ships often pass. The Musi River is an important transportation route for ships carrying coal and other goods. The Musi rivers play an important role in coal distribution in the area.
Attractiveness of Ampera Bridge. At night, Ampera Bridge is decorated with light that line the bridge. Thus, this Palembang icon looks so beautiful and exotic. From the bridge, travelers can see Kuto Besa Fort, which is located not far from the bridge. Kuto Besa Fort is a historical fort left by Sultan Mahmud Badaruddin I in the 8th century. Visitors can also enjoy the beauty of the surrounding scenery while enjoying Palembang specialties and floating stars. Floating stars are board style that float on the waters of the Musi River. So from here, visitors can enjoy the beauty of the Ampera.
Ampera seen from below with an upward view. The view of the tower structure seen from below the Ampera looks towing upward. This is two-story tower structure and probability looks beautiful with its distinctive architecture design. Ampera look majestic and powerful when viewed from below with the tower structure towering high above. This view may give you an awesome and monumental impression, especially if you see it during the day with a clean blue sky as the backdrop.
Size and weight of the Ampera Bridge. Ampera Bridge is 1,117 meters long and 22 meters wide. The bridge height is 11.5 meters above sea level, while the tower height is 63 meters off the ground. The distance between the towers is about 75 meters. Meanwhile, the weight of the bridge is around 9,044 tons. That is the various information about the Ampera bridges.
Condition of Ampera Road during rain can vary depending on the intensity of the rain and the condition of the infrastructure general, rain can make the road slippery and potentially trigger puddles, especially in areas that do not have a good drainage system. This can increase the risk of accident and affect traffic flow. Drivers should always be conscious and pay attention to road condition when it rains to avoid accident.
This park is also a popular tourist destination for tourists visiting Palembang because it has become one of the icons that means a lot to migrants outside the city and in general as a maker of history and pride.
LRT made a special road in Palembang. There is an LRT light rail transit that passes next to the Ampera Bridge. Ampera Bridge itself is one of the famous landmarks in the city. The Palembang LRT has been in operation since August 2028 and is part of the government efforts to improve public transportation in the city. That's all for the video. See you soon. Bye bye.